Hi and welcome to another unboxing and review. This time it's for quite a bit bigger item than I normally review. It's a full-size folding treadmill. So this is the packaging, almost as tall as I am. So okay, without further ado, I'm gonna unbox it and I'll see you on the other side. So here we are, the running machine. So that's the main running deck. I'm just going to give you some quick measurements. So width wise it's about 48 centimeters, and length wise you have a length of the running deck of 120 centimeters. So the main console, so we've got the time there, the incline and the calories, so it switches between incline and calories. You've got the speed over there, and that's in miles per hour, not kilometers. And we've also got pulse and distance. Now, depending on whether it detects a pulse by holding the metal contacts, it will start to register a pulse, or measure a pulse, should I say. So the main controls you got there are, you got the program selections, incline on this side, speed on that side. You've also got incline on the left side, and you've got speed on the right hand side, plus and minus. So that's quite handy, so you don't need to reach the across to the console every time. So that's the incline control there, so that increases, that decreases, and same with the speed on that side. You've also got some quick dial-in, so that if you press the 4 there, that will set the incline quickly to 4% incline. So this incline is measured in, I'll show you when it's in operation, is measured in degrees and not angle. That's not the angle. So you got an incline on this machine which goes from 0% as it is now to 18% incline. So you got quick section for the incline, 4 and 8, and also the speed. When you start it, the speed starts up at a default 0.5 mile per hour, which is pedestrian pace, and so that's for safety reasons, obviously, and the incline starts off at 0. The way you start this is you press the start button once you powered it on, and then the speed will switch up to 0.5 mile per hour by default, and you got 0 incline. If you press stop, it puts it into pause mode, whereby you can continue to resume your session if you need to, and pressing stop again then terminates the session, resets the recorded values up here. So let's start. So you get a countdown, 3, 2, 1. So that starts off at 0.5 mile per hour, and if you press the similarly with 8, and you can control the speed from there, and also the buttons on that side. And you can increase the incline from as I said 0 degrees to 18 degrees. That's a 18%, sorry, not degrees, percentage. So that's a 18% incline. I can already feel the effects of that. So I'm just gonna pause that session for a moment. So that's gone into, so that stops the machine. So that's gone into pause mode. So that's ready to resume the session if you want to. So if you restart the session, that will pick up with the distance. It will reset the speed back to 0.5 miles per hour for obvious safety reasons, and it will set the incline to a default of 0. And back into pause mode. So if you press now the stop button, this will reset the session, so everything will be zeroed, and your session will be terminated, ready for the next session. In case you're wondering what this circular graphic is, this represents a 400-meter running track. So one complete loop of dots means that you've covered 400 meters. That's a nice kind of graphic of an athletic running track. So that gives you kind of motivation to, you know, complete 400 meters at a time. Console has 2 cup holders, one on this side and one on that side. Nice generous cup holders. You've got a ledge for mobile devices or tablets, that sort of thing. You've got the main control panel there, and you've got a Bluetooth speaker system, so you can connect your mobile device and have the device wirelessly Bluetooth audio to the running machine. So that's a nice feature. You also get an included towel hook, which I believe fits on that side, but I haven't quite got the clearance to fit that on there, so I've done without that. Device automatically goes into standby mode, so the display will turn off after, I believe, 15-20 minutes. And you've also got this nice hydraulic space saving system, so you can lift the deck and lock it into place, and that's now freed up all of that floor space there. So that folds the machine into quite a compact footprint now, so it's only taking up that much floor space as opposed to the whole of that bay. I've got this in a standard semi-detached, traditional semi-detached bay, and in order to drop this back down, it's a case of pushing on the hydraulic, and that will soft lower it for safety reasons. So that's lowering the deck back. You got the wheels there as well, so they will touch the ground, and once it gets to an almost horizontal position, it slows down to crawl for safety reasons until it is actually level there. So there you have it, a very capable home setup treadmill, which has maximum speed up to 12 miles per hour. I think that should be more than adequate for majority of us. It has an incline which goes from 0 to 18%. So if you're looking at incline training, that's very good for that. And coupled with the top speed that this can hit, it's actually a very, very capable machine. Durable, sturdy. I fixed this now. I've secured this, and the total weight of this is about 65 kilograms. So it feels very, very stable in use, and generally. So a great setup for a home gym, not quite to the level of say professional level gymnasium type treadmill, but then they're just absolute crazy prices. This is reasonably priced for what it is. It does everything that I want and need it to do, i.e. the top speed. For me, the critical thing is the top speed, because I'm a long distance runner. I'm trying to get my overall speed up to a particular level. The incline training is great because I can do short bursts in incline mode to further enhance my training over a shorter period, and to build up stamina, endurance, and strength, the general strength. So for me, it's a great running machine. Nice control panel, nice simple control panel, easy to use, cup holders, and built-in speaker system. So that's all from me. Thank you very much for watching. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments. Please like and subscribe, and thanks very much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.